What's going on? This is Jay. I'm making some mac and cheese for Christmas. People was asking me to do a video on it. I usually just take pictures and stuff on it, so I'm doing a video. Learned from my dad. And looked up other people, and most stuff is pretty much basically the same. So
we should play this game for life.
What game?
Mackin. Hangin.
Yeah, I like that.
Mackin. Hangin. Mackin. Hangin. Mackin. Hangin.
right now, finishing boiling the noodles right now. About to take them out and put them in the strainer. So I'm turning this off now. This is just one bag. So one bag seems small, but when the noodles get soft, they expand. That's just one bag. So when I first put it in the water boiling, you couldn't even see the noodles. But now the noodles is above the water. It's a big pot. That's one bag right there. See if I get 2 trays out of that. For sure. So I'm gonna put that in the strainer right here. Can't find a better strainer. I don't know where it's at. Use a few cheeses. Some mozzarella, some mild cheddar, some cheddar jack, a few eggs, some half and half. I usually use a better one, but I forgot the half and half, so I went to another spot and that's all they had. So that's gonna help melt the cheese down in the noodles because you want it inside the noodles for sure. And then some flour. I'm gonna get some flour out of there. All right, so I'm turning this back on. It's gonna be a more low. I want to season them. You don't want the basic salt and pepper. I should have some more pepper here. Yeah, I got it right here. Salt and pepper. But cook it up with something like maybe a little Cajun seasoning or some other Creole seasoning. I'm all out of my regular Creole seasoning, but you know, hit it up with something different. So I'm gonna use that. I'll put the sea salt and pepper in here with the Cajun seasoning. Cajun seasoning gives it a tad bit of kick, but not too much. Plus, I'm about to put this half and half in there, so it's gonna be straight. But it gives it a tad bit of different flavor. See, you kind of tell it's seasoned now. It's not just bland. Some seasoning in there. You start putting the cheeses in there, putting this in there. Yeah, it's gonna make the cheese creamy. That's what we want. I don't want it to be super dry. We want it to be doing its thing. Put it in there. See, I usually have bigger ones, and like I said, I was stuck with these. Alright, I'm mixing in the 3 cheeses. It's gonna melt down. Half on half is gonna help it. Just blend it in, mix it in until it melts down. Might have to add more half and half in a little bit. And a little bit more cheese. We want it to be nice. Keep at this. Adding cheese and half. And keep blending it in, mixing it till it melts down. Letting it cook down a little bit more. Before I add the egg and the flour. I tasted it and the taste is good right now. You don't want to taste it before. Well, you don't want to taste it after you put the egg and the flour in it. You want to taste it before. And I'm going to start mixing these cheeses together so that I can spread them across the top. All right, I'm ready to put these joints in. Okay. We'll put 3 eggs. Do 3 of those. I will make sure that these mixed them in well. Look how cheesy it is, man. Dang. It's gonna be fire. And also put in a little bit of flour. It's not gonna mess up your taste after it's baked down. It's gonna help everything stick together so that you could kind of, when you get it out the pan, it's gonna be like cake. You'll be able to get your slices of mac and cheese out. That's what it helps you do. See, 1 bag is 2 trays, man. All right, the trays are sprayed. I mixed the 3 cheeses. I'm gonna start topping these. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna top these real good. Spread it across. I want it to cover everything. All right, a little extra I do now is I put parsley flakes. I put just a little something at the top. It's dope once it's like baked. You see what it look like. All right. So it looks like the parsley's, you know. About to put some foil on top. We'll start the baking. Got the oven preheated at 350. About to cover these up. All right, both of them are wrapped on 350. Put on 45 minutes. It's already started. 45 minutes. All right, it's been 45 minutes. Take this off. Nice and easy. Boom. Cheese. Look at that. But that ain't it. We want crispy around the edges, the top. We want that crispy top. So, now it's still over there. Just 15 minutes without the foil. Go back in here. 15 more minutes. 15 minutes up. Edges a little more crispy, but it's still juicy. That's about it. Baked mac and cheese, Southern style. Thinking about doing I do this little kind of Spanish Caribbean plate I usually do. It's like rice, beans, and I do a fish with like a sweet chipotle. I'll probably do that next time. And then I'm gonna do a jambalaya probably, and maybe some greens or something like that. I haven't made those yet, so for sure I'll try to take more. I usually just take pictures, like I said. Hit up my page, Jay made that on Instagram. That's where I put my pictures up at. All right, it's Christmas time. It's Jay. Peace out.